Hey guys, welcome back to the Summer Day Studios YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna use an illustration that I've made previously and show you how you can put an image on top of that shape in 3 different ways. So the first way is the shape builder tool. So here I have my lemon and I have a picture of a bird I made previously, and I pretty much made a black and white version of it now. And what I want to do is put this on top of my lemon. So the first way is the shape builder, as I said. What we're gonna do in this is select both, then go on the shape builder tool on the left hand side. You will see these 2 shapes together and then the arrow key on top. That's the tool that we will use. Now when you start hovering over it, you'll see it when it selects that part, it kind of, you can see the selection part like this, it kind of blurs on top, like a white blur comes on top of it. So what I want to do is delete this bit of my bird. So what I'm going to do is press Alt and then just drag them. So now I have this shape on top of my lemon. But the thing that sometimes the shape builder tool does is delete the part of your original shape. So maybe sometimes I don't want to do that. So in that case, we will use the second tool, a very popular tool that we have used both in illustration as well as painting, very commonly used in digital art. I use it all the time when I use Photoshop or Procreate or any other drawing software, is clipping mask. So that's what we're going to do here. Pretty much it works a bit differently than a regular clipping mask on any drawing software. So what I would do is select my lemon first and then copy by Control C and paste on the same place. So that's Control Shift V on top of my bird. Okay, so make sure that the bird is behind the lemon. So pretty much the shape that you want it to mask on should be on the top. So then I will select the lemon and the bird together, right click and then click on Make Clipping Mask. There you go. So now I have made the bird sit on top of my lemon, but as you can see, if I move it here, that there's an outline around it which showcases the original lemon that we have. And what if I double click on it, I can go inside it and you can see my whole bird is still intact. So I can still move it around. I don't have to worry shapes being lost. So I think it's a great way for you to preserve shapes in case you need it later on. The last one I'm going to talk about today is the drawing mode. So pretty much the drawing mode is kind of like drawing inside your clipping mask. That's pretty much what the whole idea would be. So I'll just copy the bird and delete it for now. Then I'm gonna select this shape and go on the left hand side, and underneath the color tools you'll see these drawing mode options. Just click on it once and you'll see we have 3 options. We have draw normal, draw behind, and draw inside. For this case, we're going to use draw inside mode. So just click on it once and you see this transparent box that has appeared around my shape. So just to give you a basic idea, what I would do is, let me take the brush tool and draw over it, and I will go outside the shape. But you can see the outside shape lines don't appear at all. It's exactly like how a authentic clipping mask would work on any drawing software, but in this case it's called a drawing mode. So let me undo this, and what I will do is just paste my bird here. So now you can see my bird shape is still there, like the whole shape is still there if I double click on it, but it's now drawn inside of my lemon. And while I was in the still shape, I could go ahead and draw additional stuff if I wanted to the bird, but it will all still be in the lemon itself. So these are like 3 ways that you can add designs on top of any of your existing shapes without worrying too much about if it'll go outside the original shape. Would it not make the shape look weird because there's some lines around it? So some super simple ways that you can do this in less than a minute. I hope you found this useful, and let me know what you think and what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.